Hello students, hope you all are doing good. Here I am back again with algebra of mathematics. I want to welcome you all to our school's official YouTube channel. Now, today's lesson is about factorization, and it is very much helpful for class 9 as well as class 10 students. Now let us start. First, I want to go with what is an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is defined as a mathematical phrase formed on combining numbers and variables using mathematical operations. Here you can see, I have taken an example here. You can see 2x squared minus 6xy. It is an algebraic expression. Here variable x square, x, y, 2 and 6 are constant numbers, and minus is used to combine them. As a result, an algebraic expression is formed. Now, you have already learned about factorization, factors in earlier classes. Now let us define factorization. Factorization, it is the process by which the given algebraic expression is expressed as the product of two or more algebraic expressions or terms. Here I gave you example 2x squared minus 6xy. Let us find its factors. You can see here 2 and 6 are the constant numbers, and out of these two constant numbers, I can take 2 common outside. So let us take 2 common. 2. X also can be taken common. So now 2x is the common term. Now what is left behind? 2x squared. 2x into 1x is left minus 3y. So factors 2x and x minus 3y are the factors of algebraic expression 2x squared minus 6xy. Or it can be said that they are the factors of this term. So for finding factors of the given expression, we apply a selected method of factorization for the particular type of expression. Therefore, it is important and useful to know about the type of the expression which are to be factorized. And for that, I have given here 6 types. Some are given below. Let's see. Factorization of the expression by taking common only, as we have done here. Here we took common out and then factorized. Second, factorization of the expression by making groups before taking common. Here only one number or one variable is not taken common, is not found to be common. A group is found. Now this way I will show you in coming slides. Third one, factorization of the expression of the form a square minus b square. These formulas you have already learned in class 8. Factorization of the expression of the form a cube plus or minus b cube. Plus or minus means a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. Similarly, fifth type, factorization of the expression of the form ax square plus bx plus or minus c. And sixth one is of the form a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4. So these are 6 types of algebraic expressions, and in this video I am going to show you how you can factorize these 6 types. So starting with first type. Here, factorization of the expression by taking common only. Factorization of the expression by taking common only. So let's see. To factorize an expression, the common factor is taken out and each term of the expression is divided by the common factor to get another factor. So here I have shown 3 examples. You can see. First one, 3x minus 4xy. It is equal to. How can you factorize? You can see x common here. In first term also there is x common, x present, and in second term also you can see x present. So out of these 2 terms, I can take x, I can write x as common. Now inside what is left? 3x. If x is taken outside, 3 is left. So 3 minus x is taken outside means minus 4y is left. So 3 minus 4y. Hence x and 3 minus 4y are the factors of 3x minus 4xy. Similarly, second question, second example, 4ax plus 8ay. It is equal to 4 and 8. Out of number, I can take 4. 4 is common in both. So 4, ax and ay. I can see a common. So a, 4a is common. Hence, what is left now? X plus 2y. Third example, 2y square minus 6y. It is equal to, you can see here 2 and 6. Out of 2 and 6, 2 is common, y is common. So what is left over inside? Y minus 3. Hence, this is the way of factorizing the expression first kind. Expression of first kind. Now let us go for second kind. Factorization of the expression by making groups before taking common. Here the terms are to be arranged for making suitable groups such that each group has a common factor. Let us see the examples. It will make you clear. First example, x square plus, sorry, it is written here x2, actually, and that is x square. X square plus x square plus yes. Now let's see. Oh, x square plus, again wait. Okay. X square plus xy plus xz or zx plus yz. Now can you see here any common term out of these 4 terms? In these 4 terms, no. In such a case, we are going to arrange these terms so that we can get suitable groups that can be taken common out. So here on arranging, what I have done, x square plus xy, first 2 terms and last 2 terms are written together. Plus, now out of first 2 terms I am taking x outside. So what is left inside? X plus y. Plus, out of last 2 terms I am taking z common. So z, and what is left inside? X plus y. Now you can see here x plus y, x plus y. So here group has come to be as common. So x plus y, take it as common factor. Now what is left? If x plus y is taken, x plus z is left. So x plus y into x plus z. Hence the factors. Let's move on to second one. x square minus x into 2m minus n minus 2mn. Here, first what you have to do, remove the bracket, open the bracket, is equal to x square as it is minus 2mx, opening the bracket, 2mx plus nx minus 2mn is equal to, here also you can see xx, you can take out common, and here nn, you can use it, as well as you can take, so taking common, x square minus 2mx, x common, x minus 2m plus n common, x minus 2m. So x minus 2m, x minus 2m, common factor. What is left? X plus n. Similarly, third example, 2a into x plus y minus b into x minus x plus y is equal to, here also you directly it is written x plus y can be taken common. What is left now? 2a minus b. So this is the second kind in which factorization is done by making suitable groups before taking common. Now third expression, it is of the form a square minus b square, and we have already learned what is a square minus b square, or what are the factors of a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. So you can directly use this formula and try to factorize. Other respective formulas are also given here, which may help you in further factorization. Here, let us go for example, 16a square minus 49b square. This is square form. 16 is also a square number, a square is also a square. 49 is also a square number, b square is also a square. So let us try. 16a square, it can be written as 4a whole square minus 49b square, 7b whole square. Hence the result. Now apply the formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is a square. In place of a you have 4a, in place of b you have 7b. Therefore 4a plus 7b into 4a minus 7b. Second example, 3a square b minus 27b cube. These are not completely square numbers. Hence, what you have to do now? Let's search, is there anything common? That is first kind of expression. It is equal to 3 can be taken common, 3 and 27. So 3b also can be taken common. Hence 3b, what is left inside now? A square minus 9b square. Here these are square numbers, square terms. Hence equal to, you can apply the formula, 3b, what is left now inside? A square minus 3b whole square. 9b square, that is 3b whole square, which is equal to 3b into a plus 3b into a minus 3b. Hence the result. Next term, next example, 4x square minus y square plus 2y minus 1. Let us write it in square form. 2x whole square, that is the first term, minus y square plus 2y minus 1, minus y square plus 2y minus 1. I want to take minus common outside. So what is left over inside? Y square minus 2y plus 1. And this form, a square minus 2ab plus b square form. A square minus 2ab plus b square form. It can be written as a minus b whole square. That is y minus 1 whole square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square. In place of a you have 2x, in place of b you have y minus 1. Therefore a plus b into a minus b, that is 2x plus y minus 1, 2x minus y minus 1, that is minus y plus 1. hence the result. Now fourth example, 3x cube minus 48x. It is not given directly in the square form, so you need to take out at first, try to take out common. 3 can be taken out, plus x also can be taken. So 3x, what is left inside? Out of x cube, 1x goes outside, means x square is left. So x square minus 16. Clearly 3x into x plus 4 into x minus 4. Fifth example, 9x square minus 16 by 25 y square. Of course, it is of square terms, equal to 3x whole square minus 16 by 25 y square. It can be written as 4 by 5y whole square form. Therefore, a square minus b square, 3x plus 4 by 5y into 3x minus 4 by 5y. Now last but not least, y plus 1 whole square minus 9 equal to directly square form, y plus 1 whole square minus 3 square. Therefore, a plus b into a minus b form, y plus 1 plus 3 into y plus 1 minus 3. That is y plus 4 into y minus 2. Hence the factors. Now we have completed the 3 kinds of algebraic expressions, how to factorize. Now let's move on to fourth. Fourth one is factorization of the expression of the form a cube plus or minus b cube. That is either a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. Now these are the factors of a cube plus b cube. You have learned the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Or you can say a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square are the factors of a cube plus b cube. Similarly, this one. Let us go for example. Example will help you to get a clear concept. So, first example, a to the power 6 minus 1. Only 1, anything raised to 1 is 1 itself. So you can write here a to the power 6 minus 1 to the power 3, 1 to the power 6, 1 to the power 2, or anything. Anything raised to 1 is 1 itself. And according to the situation, according to your wanting, you can write. Equal to. Here I want to convert it to the form cube. I have here cube's formula, that's why. You can also convert it to the form of square. So here a square whole cube, 2 into 3 will make 6. So a square whole cube minus 1 cube. Now you can see a cube minus b cube form. What is it? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Hence write it. In place of a you have a square and in place of b you have 1. So is equal to a square minus 1 into, now this term, a square whole square plus ab, a square into 1 plus 1 square, which is equal to a square minus 1 and inside other bracket a plus a square plus 1 whole square minus 2a square plus a square. Now here what I have done is, here this term, a square whole square plus a square plus 1 square. This term I have converted it to this form. How? Look here, a square plus b square form. A square whole square plus 1 square, that is written as a square plus 1 whole square minus 2a square. And this a square as it is written here. That is, once again I am telling you, a square plus b square form, that I have written a plus b whole square minus 2ab plus a square as it is I have written here at last. That is, I have arranged it and applied the formula. Which formula? The previous one. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, which is equal to a square minus 1 as it is. Now inside the another bracket you can see a square plus 1 whole square minus 2a square plus a square. That is, like terms are these, so you can simplify it and you get minus a square. Hence a square minus 1, a square minus 1, it can be written as a square minus 1 can be written as a square minus b square, that is a plus 1 into a minus 1. And here a square plus 1 whole square minus a square, that is written as a square plus a plus 1, a square minus a plus 1. Hence, let's move on to second example. 8ax cube minus ay cube. What should be the first step? Yes, a is common. So I am taking a as common factor. Now what is left inside? 8x cube minus y cube. You can see clearly 8x cube and y cube are cube forms. You can apply the formula a cube minus b cube there. That is equal to a inside curly bracket 2x whole cube form minus y cube, which is equal to a into a cube minus b cube form, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, which is equal to a into 2x minus y, 4x square plus 2xy plus y square. Hence the factors. Here you can see three factors: a, 2x minus y, 4x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now last, x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. Here I have converted it to the form a square minus b square. You can also convert it to form a cube minus b cube by taking square inside. So x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. The same expression can be written as x square whole cube minus y square whole cube, which is equal to, as I have taken here a square minus b square form, so a plus b into a minus b, that is x cube plus y cube into x cube minus y cube. Now apply this formula a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Hence the result x plus y into x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square. I hope you understood. Let's move on to another type of expression of the form ax square plus bx plus or minus c. Last term can be positive c or negative c. Now to factorize this form of expression, we need to find out two such numbers whose product is a into c. A into c means coefficient of x square into constant term, a into c. And those numbers sum or difference should be b. b, that is coefficient of x. Once again I am telling, to factorize this form of expression, we need to find out such two numbers whose product is a into c and sum or difference is b. Then the expression is expanded to 4 terms by breaking the middle term, and factorization process is done by grouping. Remember the other previous 4 types of expressions, that is also useful while solving this. So let's go with first example. You can see here x square plus 7x plus 12. Coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 7, C is 12. Hence, compare this one with standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Here you can see value of a 1, value of b 7, value of c 12. That I have written here. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 12. Now what we are told, a into c is the product. A into C is product, that is 1 into 12 is the product, that is product 12, and sum is B, that is 7. Now you need to find out such two numbers whose product is 12 and sum is 7. Product is 12 means I need to find out the factors of 12. And what can be the factors? 12's factors, that is 1 into 12. Here this are the factors. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, also 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Now out of these factors, which are the two numbers whose sum is 7? 12 plus 1, 13, 12 minus 1, 11, so impossible. Here also impossible. Here it is possible. 3 plus 4 is 7. Hence, the middle term breakup means 7x, you are going to write it in the form 3 plus 4. Hence, your expression becomes x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Now take out common. X into x plus 3 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 4. Hence, these are the factors. It will be much more clear if you understand second example. Look here. 4y square minus 16y minus 9. I want to recommend you to do along with me. Take a copy and start. It will be easier to understand. Is equal to, here you can see, in place of A you have 4, in place of B you have minus 16, don't ignore negative sign, minus sign, and in place of C you have minus 9. Here if you take product A into C, that is 4 into minus 9, minus 36, and sum, that is B, minus 16. Now product is minus 36. Factors of minus 36. 1 into minus 36, or it can be minus 1 into 36. Similarly, 2 into minus 18 or minus 2 into 18. 3 into 12 or minus 3 into 12. 3 into minus 12. Here I have mistaken. So you just 3 into minus 12 or minus 3 into 12. 4 into minus 9 or 9 into minus 4 or minus 4 into 9 or 6 into minus 6. So these are the factors, possible factors of minus 36. Now which two numbers will give you sum minus 16? Yes, third one, 2 into minus 18, 2 and minus 18. Hence, you will break up that minus 16y and you write it as minus 18y plus 2y. Now take common, you will get the answer. Yes, let's move on to next. Here, 10a square by b square minus 1 minus 2b square by a square. It is written as 10a square by b square minus 1 into, nothing means a by b into b by a. I can write it. A can be cancelled, b and b can be cancelled, hence the result is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So I want to write it in this form. If you have here any other term like x square by y square and here y square by x square, then I can write it as x by y into y by x. It will not make any difference. Minus 2b square by a square. It is equal to, now applying the same rule, ax square minus bx plus c form, minus c form. Once again, a x square, in place of x you have a by b, minus b x minus c. On multiplying product, two numbers, product is minus 20 a into c, that is 10 into minus 2, minus 20, b is minus 1. Now what are the two numbers whose product is minus 20 and sum is minus 1? The two numbers are minus 5 plus 4. Hence, we can write the expression as 10 a square by b square minus 5 a by b into b by a plus 4 a by b into b by a minus 2b square by a square. Now take out common. You can see here 5 and 10, 5 is common. A square by b square, a by b, b by a. So a by b is common. What is left inside? 2a by b minus b by a. Plus, from here also, two expressions, I can take 2 common and b by a common. So 2b by a, 2a by b minus b by a is left. Hence you can see here, the terms inside bracket are common. So let's write it. Now what is left over? 5a by b plus 2b by a. 2b by a is left here. I request you to add b by a. Yes, 5a by b plus 2b by a. Hence the factors. Now let's continue with fourth example. 8x to the power 6 minus 7x cube minus 1. Here 8x cube as it is written minus middle term breakup, that is minus 7. It can be written as a product AC minus 8 and sum minus 7. So what are the numbers? Minus 8 and 1. So it is broken and written as minus 8x cube plus x cube minus 1. Hence take common. Here you will get a cube plus b cube form, a cube minus b cube form. Put the values, formula. Hence the result is x minus 1 into 2x plus 1, x square plus x plus, then rearrange the factors. X square plus x plus 1 into 4x square minus 2x plus 1. Therefore the result. Similarly, fifth one, 2x to the power 6 minus x cube minus 3. What I have done here is, I have let x cube a. It can also be done in that way. If you let x cube a, your respective equation becomes, look here, 2x cube whole square minus x cube minus 3. That is 2a square minus a minus 3. If x cube is let as a. So 2a square minus a minus 3. Now it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. On multiplying a into c, minus 6 and sum minus 1. So what are the two numbers? Product is minus 6, sum is minus 1. That is plus 2 and minus 3. Hence minus a is written as plus 2a and minus 3a, and take out common, hence the result. Now the result you have got is in terms of a, as you have let x cube as a. Now you need to put back the value of a, x cube. You need to find out the result in terms of x, as your question is in term of x. So in place of a, you are going to substitute a plus 1 x cubed plus 1. 2a minus 3 is written as 2x cubed minus 3. Here again you can factorize a cube plus b cube form. So x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1, 2x cube minus 3, nothing can be done to this term, so write as it is. Hence, result. Now let's move on to last form of expression. A to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4. Now steps to be followed. That is, this one can be written like, look here, I have arranged the terms, first and last terms are written together. A4 plus a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus a square b square as it is. It is again rearranged. A to the power 4 can be written as a square whole square. Similarly, b4 is written as b square whole square plus remaining a square b square as it is. It is equal to, look here, a square plus b square form. I had given you in second or third slide the formula. A square plus b square can be written as either a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Depending on the condition, situation prevailing, you need to use formula. So here I am using which form? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is, in place of a I have a square, in place of b I have b square. So a plus b means a square plus b square whole square minus 2ab, 2a square b square plus a square b square as it is. Which is equal to a square plus b square whole square as it is, I am writing, minus 2a square b square plus a square b square. These are like terms, so you can simplify it. You will get minus a square b square. Now you can see these two terms can be written in the form of a square minus b square. Hence a plus b into a minus b. That is a square plus b square plus ab. On arranging, you will get a square plus ab plus b square into a square minus ab plus b square. So you can directly write this kind of expression as this. A square plus ab plus b square into a square minus ab plus b square. How? By following these steps or rules. So let's factorize the given examples. First one, x raised to 4 plus 6x square y square plus 25 y raised to 4. First step, what you have to do, first and last term, write it together plus middle term. And these two terms, I'm going to write it in the form of squares. That is x square whole square plus 5y square whole square plus 6x square y square. Now this one again, a square plus b square form, I'm writing in the form of a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is x square plus 5y square whole square minus 2 into x square into 5y square plus remaining term as it is. Again on arranging, what I get? 2 into 5, 10 x square y square. Hence, which is again equal to, like terms are these. So minus 10 plus 6 will give you minus 4x square y square. Now clearly you can see this is of the form square minus, this can also be written in the form of square. Hence a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. Rearrange the terms, hence your answer. Quite easy. But you need to remember the steps and the formula that is used. Now, second expression, 4x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Here only two terms. You can write these two terms in the form of squares and apply the formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Hence, a square minus b square form, therefore the answer. Third expression, m to the power 4 minus 6m square n square plus n to the power 4. Arranging first and second together, square form. Therefore, here what I have done, look here. I told you a square plus b square. Formula is, we have two formulas. Either a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. I told you according to situation you need to use. You need to choose and use. A square plus b square. Here what I am doing is, you have third term minus 6m square n square. So here if you use a plus b whole square, then what will be your expression like? M square plus n square whole square minus 2m square n square. Now minus 2 and minus 6, as these are like terms, they can be simplified or can be added or subtracted. Here it is minus 2 means minus minus will be added. So minus 8. And if you will write here minus 8. 8 is not square of any number. So you will not get the answer. So you need to choose the second formula, that is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So here what happens? M square minus n square whole square plus 2m square n square. So I have used here other formula. Other. Here m square minus n square whole square plus 2 and minus 6 will give you minus 4. 4 is a square number. So you can convert now this expression to a square minus b square form. Hence a plus b into a minus b, the result. Now last expression. Try to understand yourself how it is done. Yes, very simple, yes. Hence the answer. I hope you have understood all the 6 types of algebraic expressions and the way of factorizing them. Now, I want to give you some questions. Try yourself. 10 questions are there altogether. See the question, look the question, and try to understand what kind of expression is that, it comes under which group, and try to solve it. In case of any doubts, you may inbox me. Thank you, students.